Hi guys, phonics time. Let's start off practicing the sounds we already know. S, a, t, p, I, n, g, o, k, k, h, o, u, b, m, d. And today's sound is E. The letter E makes the sound E. Now let's have a look how to write it. It's a bit of a tricky one because it starts in the middle and not many of the letters start in the middle. So we put our pen in the middle, we go across, keep your pen on, go up and curl all the way around. Across, up and around. Oh, mine are a bit wobbly because I'm doing them upside down. Let me try again. Across, up and around. E makes the sound F, the letter E. Okay, right, let's have a look at blending some words using the E sound. Are we ready? My turn. P, egg, peg. Your turn. My turn. P, n, pen. Your turn. My turn. Net, net. Your turn. Okay, shall we have a go at writing some of those words? So let's have a go at writing the word peg. So we get our robot arms ready to segment the word p, egg, peg. Okay, so we can hear p, egg. Let's check. P, egg, peg. Okay, let's have a go at writing the word pen. Oh, I forgot to segment it. P, n, pen. Ready? P, e, n, p, n, pen. Okay? And the last one is net. N, et, net. Okay? N, et. Let's check. N, et, net. Okay? So you have a go at writing those words at home as well. Peg, pen and net. And then let's have a look at our tricky words. We can't blend them, remember, we have to learn them. My turn, then your turn. I. 2. No. Go. And the. Super. See you tomorrow.